I want to show you a little bit about how this music box works and what I was telling you earlier about this plastic sleeve. When it is activated, it allows the music, the band to spin. And when it's done, that plastic sleeve has to be adjusted just enough to stop the fan to prevent the next notes from playing. If I was to push that plastic sleeve in, it's going to allow the next notes to play, and it's not even going to stop the fan because I got it too far in. But like I said, it has to be adjusted just right. I'm trying to do this with one hand. I bought a stand for my camera from Walmart, and I don't like it. As you can see, it's pushed too far in, and this next note has played. So it has to be adjusted out some to prevent this next notes from playing after the music has stopped. Anyway, I bought a stand from Walmart, and I don't like it. It's stupid flimsy, and it don't want to stay in place. So that's why I'm doing this with the old-fashioned way, holding this camera. This was a waste of money. So if you guys could tell me what kind of stand you have for your camera, I'm an LG phone, I'd appreciate it. But anyway, the music box is cleaned up. I had to take the board off before I put it in ultrasonic cleaner. So you want to make sure that when you put it back on, that you're using the same screw holes, because if you don't, you're going to have trouble when you put it back in the clock adjusting it to play right.